Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am deconstructing fall. It's that time of the year where I take down all of my fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving decorations. I'm in Canada, so our Thanksgiving is long gone, and I am cleaning up my house and getting it ready for my Christmas decor to come on. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sonia, and I would love for you to stick around and press that subscribe button. I do cleaning videos once a week, maybe twice a week, and I also do DIYs, cooking, and hauls. So if that's something that you think you might like, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. So how are you guys doing? Have you deconstructed some of your fall decorations? Maybe have your Thanksgiving stuff up, or if you're in Canada, maybe you're starting to decorate for Christmas. Here in Canada, everybody tries to wait till after Remembrance Day to kind of get into the full swing of decorating. I will be starting to decorate this week, full swing, which is after Remembrance Day, and have been working on some DIYs. Not sure if you've had a chance to see them, but I've created a couple of them. I can link them in the description box for you. So as you can see, I take down everything, I put it directly into the box right away, so that way I don't have to double up my work. Here I am using my 31 tote, and I'm putting things that I might reuse for Christmas decor. Not sure what I'm going to be exactly doing, so I just wanted to keep some stuff separate from fully storing it away for Christmas, just in case if I decide to use some of it. So these 31 totes come in handy for things like that. And then once I have completely cleaned up everything, I dust it and I vacuum it up, and then I also wash the floor.
I don't want to quench your thirst when you got the crave. I'm not posters on your wall, I'm a human after all, and I'm tired of being emotional. Shadows when I lay awake, I hear you how you sigh like an earthquake. No blisters on my hands, I refuse to take a stand. I'm tired of being emotional. Turn away. You hurt and I hurt. I've got news for you. You can't rip my feathers out. Sun winds over clouds this time. I won't be stuck
I am always finding so many toys and things under the couches and trying to reach everything up because of the daycare kids, because we spend first half an hour and last half an hour of the day up here, so there's always stuff under my couch. I love using my Dyson stick vacuum for quick cleanups like this, and also like to use my Norwax mop for quick wipe down. If I do my full-on deep cleaning, I use the steam mop and my big Dyson vacuum, but for a quick cleanups, I like to use these things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it motivational, and until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.